Good morning, my name is Evanty Porwaila. Today I want to say thank you for giving me the chance to present my proposal under the title Scoping the Effectiveness of Think Pair Share in Developing Student Speaking Performance at El Capelema Study Center, Ambon. We move to the next slide. My chapter 1 is about background of the study. According to Gardner 1985, motivation has long been identified as one of the main factors affecting English language learning. Besides that, according to Lyman, cited in Rawa 2017, Think Per Share is a cooperative learning strategy that can help students and teachers to collaborate in the classroom, especially to motivate them to speak up in case they can share their opinion with their partner before share in the whole class. So problem statement in learning strategy also one of the factors that can motivate students to speak up in the classroom. There are two research questions in this study. The first one, what are the effectiveness of using Think Per Share in motivating students to speak? And the second, in what ways students are motivated by using Think Per Share? We move to the next slide. The objective of this study are to find out the effectiveness of using Think Per Share in motivating students to speak. The second, to find out in what path of Think Per Share student can be motivated by using Think Per Share. And this study hopefully will help the teacher. This study provides data information for readers to become part of learning strategy that should be used, especially for the teacher. For the students, this study will hopefully give a value for the students, especially to know in what path of Think Per Share they could motivate to speak up. And the problem statement in learning strategy is also one of the factors that can motivate students to speak up in the classroom. And the scope and limitation in this research, motivation type refers to extrinsic and intrinsic motivation. We move to the next slide. It is chapter 2 about review literature. According to Hammer, 90 and 91 explain the meaning of motivation. And beside that, according to Arnold 2000, types of motivation, there are two types in type of motivation, extrinsic and intrinsic motivation. Think Per Share strategy according to Lyman site in Raba. This is one of the learning strategy. The nature of speaking is an expression of telling information about something according to Brown. We move to the next slide. The research question will be conducted by using quantitative, and the population and the sample will be conducted in level 3 at El Capelema Study Center, Ambon. Based on the data that the researcher found, there are 15 students in the classroom. The instrument used in this data was a questionnaire adopted by Jevisa 2011, and the data analysis calculating the mean for each question. That is all from me. Thank you very much.